Okay, it's only the third full day that we've had on the shop, and we've got every post set with concrete in the holes. So we've done pretty good today. Now we're going to start putting up some girder boards, and we're going to lop the tops of the posts off to the height that they need to be at. And hopefully maybe set a truss today, maybe. We'll see. We're going to go ahead and start with the pressure treated ground boards. We're going to set up the transit laser level and make sure it's going to be the same all the way across. And that'll give us a nice base for where the grade's going to end up. So start there. Shoot it.
My dad's gonna be over here cutting all the boards. And then the guys are over there using the level machine hooked up to their handheld leveler that is connected to this. And they're putting up all those boards along the bottom.
Here's another excellent way to use that laser level, the Johnson laser level. We are using it here to level out that baseboard. And that is a 2x10, I believe, and it is pressure treated. And it is rated for ground contact. Some of the areas we had to move a little bit of gravel, and other areas it was high above the gravel, so we'll have to add some later. But that laser level works amazingly. I love it. And then the girt boards above it, they're going to be oak that I cut on the sawmill, and a lot of those are dried already. There's some that have only been drying for a half a year, but we have anchor seal on the ends of those boards to prevent them from cracking. So those should dry in place fairly decently.
Now that we got the band boards in at the bottom of the barn, you can really see where everything's laid out and it's starting to come together. We got a giant garage door that's going to go in here. We got a giant garage door that's going to go in here. And then we'll go inside and I'll show you the back part. Giant garage door right there. So all those band boards are in and it really looks nice. Progress update. They got all these girts on this side and that side up, and all of this lumber is 2x6s that we actually cut down and milled up on our sawmill, and that's all oak. So that is some really, really strong wood, but looks great.
Okay, we got a little plan in place. Gary and Courtney are going to start cutting more girt boards to 10 foot, and then me and Brad's going to go around and we're going to cut off the top of these posts to level.
So this first post, we went ahead and took measurements, and we got the exact grade that we wanted the roof line to be at. Once we got that first post cut, we took the transit laser level and set it up, and then we set up our stick to the Johnson laser level to the measured post, and we used that as a guide to help us cut all of the other posts the exact same height. And we just used a circular saw and a sawzall to cut those posts off. Also, this is a man lift that I built just out of some scrap oak. It is ratcheted to the fork so it can't come off there, and I felt pretty safe in this thing.
What a nasty day, but the boys are out early this morning working hard. They've been over here since about 8:30 a.m. It's daylight savings time, so of course we lost an hour of sleep last night. It's about 35 degrees out and it's misting, but they are still working.
All right, we're up here standing on the poles, being like linemen, because he used to be a lineman here. So we got this homemade OSHA-approved belt that Brad made. We've temporarily put our camper hook on it because we're cool. And we're climbing and putting up some girts.
They've got a lot done.
We took a measurement end to end. It's 60 foot exactly from the top, which I'm not sure how we're that good, but we are.
So it's dead nuts?
Dead nuts.
Wasn't even 1/8 of an inch off?
Not even a 16th off.
Nice. So you can see this is what they got done last night, just that section. But now they also got this section done, and this section done, and this section done. And they're moving down, so I'll record the progress and how they do it now.
Yeah, I'm on the same way. That's why we're having this.
So you're strapped in?
Strapped in.
It's helping out that Gary is handing us the boards off the tractor using the forks. That's really nice. And if you look closely, you can see that I have a 2x4 cut to a perfect length to be able to put these girts up 2 foot on center. So I just basically put the 2x4 up on top of the 2x6, the previous 2x6 that I had already put up there. And then I'll set the 2x6 that I pull off the tractor on top of that 2x4. And then that'll get me 2 foot away from that last board center to center.
This side is done. Both sides are done. All the girts are done on this side, and all the girts are done on that side. It looks absolutely amazing.
All right, that's it for this video. As always, if you have questions, let us know. Otherwise, if you're looking at this and thinking they forgot to put the top girt on that left side, no, we did not. It's because that side is going to have the giant lean-to on it, and we don't know exactly the height of that, so we're leaving the top of that open so we can put the board up there later to attach the lean-to. Thanks for watching and have a great week.